My name is Tresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to find off-market properties for you to invest in. Now, there are two ways to find off-market properties: through direct marketing. This is where you typically talk to a person. You go out directly, or indirectly, where you put out feelers and let the leads come to you. And the best thing about working with off-market properties is that, unlike on the MLS, you will not be dealing with a ton of competition, which makes it more likely for you to close the deal. And make sure that you stay into the end for a bonus trick that you've probably seen but didn't know it can be very effective. All right, let's jump in. Now remember, as investors, that we need to purchase these properties using the golden formula to ensure yourself great profits. So who sells at 70% of the ARV minus repairs? Because that is the golden formula. These are people with problems, and we are going to solve their problems because real estate investors are problem solvers. More likely than not, these people are in a distressed situation that prevents them from the luxury of listing their home with a realtor, showing the property over and over, waiting for a contract, then waiting for a loan to be approved, and eventually closing on the property, which could easily take months. So when we talk about a distressed property, that could be someone that maybe is facing a foreclosure, maybe they've inherited a home in another city or state, maybe they're going through a divorce or some kind of a crisis situation. So how do you find these deals? Using the different marketing strategies that I've mentioned. One is that direct marketing, which looks like door knocking on a foreclosure door, cold calling, or even driving for dollars, which is literally just that. You're out driving neighborhoods looking for a property that may be under distress. If you see some windows boarded up, a lawn that has not been taken care of, that could potentially be a distressed property. And then number two is that indirect marketing. That is sending out mailers, text blasting, we call that SMS, or email campaigns, Facebook ads, social media. And then I want to share that golden nugget that I promised. This is Bandit signs. These are signs that you see that say, we buy houses, we pay cash, close fast. They can be a fantastic marketing strategy. As a matter of fact, I have a student who put out 40 signs in her area and ended up getting so many phone calls, doing multiple deals with those few signs and making a lot of money. Now, I do want you to know that these signs can be banned in some areas. That's why they're called bandit signs, but they can really, really pay off. So again, all of these marketing strategies work. You just choose which one you want to start with, and then definitely be open to trying all of the strategies because they all actually work. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you want to see in the next one. If you want to learn more about how you can create financial freedom for you and your family, then join me for my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass, link down below. And as always, I'm Tresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.